Hello there. What's going on, guys? Got here a new series I'm going to be starting here. As you can see here, I have an Extreme 3D Pro X3D joystick, and I'm going to be trying to play through the whole campaign with this. For my last series, I used two controllers on one hand each and played a local co-op run. If you want to check that out, you can see the links below. Otherwise, we're going to be using this guy. Now, I'm a little lazy, so I didn't bother mapping this to a controller, which probably would have been a better idea for the aim assist. But no, I mapped this to the mouse and keyboard. This here will be my WASD action, because I'm not using point and click. And this little circle here will be my mouse. We've got my skills here on the sides, some skills and potions on the top and all that. I know it works, I just don't know if I work it well. So, I'm going to be getting in here. I think I'm going to be doing some kind of mercenary crossbow build. I'm kind of winging it. We'll see how I feel about it as I go. And yeah, I mean, I got a couple small rules for myself. It's going to be solo self-bound, so I'm not trading. And I'm going to limit the amount that I use for my own stash, if any, as well as guild stash. I will allow myself to gamble with the almost 2 million gold I have. And a respec, all that jazz, but otherwise I'm just gonna try and get through it as I can. Should be a lot of fun. Hope you guys enjoy it. You can always check me out on my stream, and yeah, I'll get right into it, so enjoy. Okay, let's play on a joystick. Here we go, my first jump. Just kidding. Alright, let's go. Whoa. Oh man, I'm gonna be so inaccurate. No! Not today, you bloated Miller. Ooh, dodged. Let's go, first boss fight. Oh, he slapped me. Oh, he slapped me again. I didn't dodge that when we stunned him. Whoa! Not today. Okay, I didn't dodge that time. I was dodging too late here. But we're doing good, we're doing good, we're feeling safe. Oh, let's go ahead and swap to the frag rounds to break him. Get up in his face. You get up in mine first. Boom! Just like that. Almost ran out of the... there. And I gotta pick up everything, because we are a poor man here in solo self-found. Don't have any other characters in solo self-found, so this is the first. Although I did them solo self-found, I did them solo self-found in the trade league. No, Beira, stop it. This is hard. Ah! I died to Beira. Oh! I don't like you. Well, third try is the charm, am I right? Or is this fourth? I think this is just third. Alright, let's get you back onto this. I guess for right now. Oh, I can die. I want to get her stunned without these minions up. Oh no! So many buttons. go. Boom! Just like that. I agree. I'm starting to get the hang. Whoa, did I hit? I don't know how I just hit. My hand was nowhere near my keyboard and it hit Z. But that's okay. It's okay. We got that done, taken care of. Not even close. Missed me by a mile. Okay, well, not that one. Alright. Almost to the break. It's a lot easier to dodge with one person rather than two. I'll tell you that, at least. These little guys following me. Ooh, I don't like that move. Oi! He said look out and stared at the tail and just ate that. Ooh, I want to get away from the tail if I can. And just like that, first try on the Devourer. This is actually really fun. I'm like, oh boy. Freeze! This is the place. No, I'm not the police. Mercenary is definitely not the police because I'm Batman. Oh my goodness! Did not want to hit that. Forgot you even could. I think it's because the mercenary has a slight accent. It's making me, you know, I gotta get in character. Gotta get in character. And then I'll say things like mercenary things. Idiot! He shouts that and consume corpses. Oh, this is Brambleghast. Look at that. We found it. We found the Pokemon. Who's that Pokemon? But it's not a piercing shot. My guy, what are you talking about? Oh! Oh, okay, I only got hit by one of them, I think. Woo! No, thank you. I don't have. Oh, I do have that charge. I just hit the wrong button for it. Haha. them to go. How do you play this game? And first try. Almost died. Ooh, a Regal Orb. Just flat Regal Orb. I'll take those right now. Una Cataputa. I might turn it into the bog, which over here. Octopukta! Oh, I'm getting ahead of myself. Whoa! Whoa! Okay, I thought this was gonna go higher than me, but he got me. He got me good. Good job, Rust King. I haven't died since the Beira. She's the only one that's killed me, actually. Get surrounded. Oh man, I brought in some plant boys. Oh, that's the big move. Yeah, I gotta avoid that one. Oh, I ate that. Why you always be doing these guys right when I'm about to stun you? It's rude. Nope, not today. Not when you get stunned, boy. I wonder if Frostbolts would be better. Oh, I'm about to eat this, aren't I? Yeah, I am. Whatever. We'll take second try. We'll take it. And we'll take Exalted. Alright.
No, tell me that isn't fungus.
Yeah, pretty sure I get more out of it. Oh, dying. I hit stun. I hit stun. There we go. We're good. We're good. We're Gucci. What a rotten boss. Trying to do some fancy stuff there. I said no. Woo. You can teleport me during my roll, that's cool too. I don't mind that, to be honest. Your stun doesn't last very long, but you know what? Still want to do it. Nope, no rock for you. No, please. Boom, done. First try. Almost died, but we're Gucci. We're good. Can't stop, won't stop. I'm having too much joy. Alright. So I'm gonna call it quits here. Just do a shorter video here. I'm not gonna try and not do these ridiculously long segments here. So yeah, I mean this has been a lot of fun. I hope you enjoy the controller cams. I think that's about it for me, and let's play on a joystick. I may get on before the patch notes again, or not. I don't know, probably not. If there's a new class, we're going to be abandoning this guy and moving over to that one. Otherwise, yeah, right now we're just grabbing a bunch of projectile damage and shooting my bolts. It's nice to have one button for my skill, which is my trigger, and to just be able to ammunition type, whatever, other than my roll here. So yeah, we're doing alright so far. Only died, other than Beira, let's put her on pause, only died to the Rust King once, beat everyone else first try. It's going good. We'll see how the future does, and until next time, enjoy.